Hey, it's Dude, and we just saw awesome fireworks at the Grizzly Stadium. There's the crew right there, kind of, you can kind of see. Oh, and the thing's yelling, it's saying go. You come crew with us too. We're here waiting for the fireworks to begin. We've been here for about maybe an hour and 20 minutes. The game's going a little slow. Check out that, dude, he has lights in there. That's a dope bus. Oh, look, they changed. So we came yesterday to see the fireworks. I tried to come over here, do the whole setup thing to try to get a good shot, but we had to go live because we did not make it in time at all. We rushed over here, got a spot over by the street, somewhere else over there. No, that's not where we were actually down where that light is right there. We were just down that street right there a little bit. So today though, we had enough time. We came and I'm able to set up. Let me show you. There's a tripod. I got it all set up. Hopefully facing up enough to get the fireworks, because they should be happening about right here, actually maybe right in our face. And we also have to watch out because what happened yesterday.
Fireworks.
Yeah, well, but we had firework pieces falling on us, kind of. So we're
one hit my knuckle.
maybe. So we gotta watch out for falling debris for the fireworks show here, and hopefully it's a little better than yesterday. Hopefully, yesterday I felt like it went by too fast. It was too fast. Not enough fireworkness that we love. Yeah, you know. So that's all right. Some fireworks is cool. I'll take some fireworks. It's all good. Hopefully, right here is pretty good where I'm gonna get it. But again, I might have to tilt up a little bit more. Because if I remember right, yesterday, they were kind of in our face. The fireworks are shot off right here, just a little bit further down. I'd say 100 yards away. So that's why they'll be pretty close. You can hear the game going down over there. There's been lots of cheering, yelling, but the Grizzlies are losing. As of right now, it's 9-4. No, 9-5. Oh. But something's happening, right? I don't think they're gonna win, but it sounds like it's getting intense. It is actually 9-7. Bottom of the ninth. No outs. You have someone on second base, and the tying run is batting right now. It sounds like, I don't know, maybe the Grizzlies will pull this one out. Can you hear the crowd? Oh my gosh. They're going nuts right now. The Grizzlies have someone on third. Scoring position, but they're still down by 2. Whoa, oh, did you see the ball? Did you see the, whoa, oh, did you see the ball? Did you see the ball? What happened? Oh my gosh, what's happened? They definitely got a run. Right as I switched the camera, they shot fireworks. Was that a home run then?
Deep right field. Back to the track. It's gone!
It's out of here!
Home run!
Home run!
Grizzlies win!
This is a different type of commentating baseball. Sorry, I turned the camera right to me as those shot off. The game is over. They just won, actually, 10-9. That was a walk-off.
Wow,
I'm not sure if it was a home run.
It's like what happened over at Visalia.
Yep, exactly what happened in Visalia. The one hit, but this one was better because I think they got a home run. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna have to go back and check.
The Grizzlies?
Yeah, they won right now. That was crazy. So they came back from 9-2. It was 9-2 in the 6th inning, and they came back to win. Oh man, Rancho, they're playing against the Quakes. Rancho Cucamonga Quakes. The Rancho Cucamonga Quakes was the very first baseball game that Jason and I went to go see. That was our very first, like, any type of Major League Baseball game that there was. And they're over here playing because now the Grizzlies are at the lowest A class. Too bad, but at least they're still playing baseball. And they won the game. They won the game. 5, 4, 3. There it goes. That was nuts. This time it was worth it, yeah. We had, sorry for the shakiness, crew. That was definitely worth it. There's no, we don't see no burning firework pieces over here this time. Yesterday, there was some pieces that were literally still on fire on the ground right here next to us. This is the spot where we were yesterday, right here. So they shot the fireworks right there on the other side of those lights, and we were literally standing right here in this spot.
Somewhere around here, history for our channel, there was a firework piece.
Yeah.
That was still on fire.
Just burning up right there.
It just landed.
But that was a cool show, actually. This time, I mean, I don't know if just because this time I felt like I had more time to set up, but I felt like it was a little longer. Check it out too. There's all these lowriders just chilling right here on the street, which is pretty cool. Those other ones parked on the other side of the street too. And check out, it's actually pretty popping. A lot of traffic right here. Not how it was yesterday at all, but today was a bigger day, I guess. Saturday. The city lights. There's downtown Fresno. Yeah, we had to park all over here. That's alright. At least maybe there's not as much traffic.
No.
So you can't see nothing, but you can hear them. Oh, there's one. Beverly told me to use these. Can you see them? No.
Yay!
Here we go. Yeah. Dang. Oh yeah. It's not like a big one, but bigger one. Come on, Dennis. Child safety. Whoa!
Whoa! Wow.
Jeez.
Wow.
No.
These are the safe ones.
I know.
Jesus.
Oh my gosh, it keeps going. It keeps.
Well, good, because it was $15.
Oh, good. It better be. Oh, it fell.
Oh no! Look at that one, it fell.
Oh, I put it back up. That was so cool. Candace is getting brave. She's in a light one. Yeah, you did it. Oh, nice choice. Jason's gonna light the grand finale. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Whoa!
Whoa, great. It was too far.
That's why I put it further back this time. Whoa! 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 What? Oh, it's not 4th of July no more. We came to get some ramen. I think we've had this adventure jumping everywhere. From fireworks at the Grizzlies to home fireworks, and now here. She is so pretty. Oh, look at that smile. There it goes. There it is. Yep. Cat's saying to get crumble, right? Is that what you just said? To get crumble cookies?
I said, look what's around here.
Oh, look what's around here, not get crumble.
I didn't say that. We've been getting it almost every week.
Almost. They're good. That was a fun adventure to everywhere where I just said we did and stuff. And awesome commentating on baseball, right? I had to commentate on the baseball, what was happening, because we weren't in there. We were outside. So there was a home run. It was a home run, walk-off home run. So, yeah. If you enjoy what we're doing, be sure to press that like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We really appreciate that. But the views, as we always say, are always awesome because you didn't have to join for 1 second or all the seconds. We appreciate all of it. You're all awesome. Thanks for crewing. Thanks for adventuring.
On to the next.